our slip knot, now we're going to learn how to hold the yarn and then also how to make a chain. So first, to hold the yarn with the crochet hook, I'm right-handed, so this is for right-handed people. You're going to have your tail end coming down at the bottom, and then your yarn ball end will be coming over your finger here. So you want your first finger to have the yarn over it like this. This is the part here where you're going to be pulling through and working with the yarn. This bottom part you want to hold with your middle finger and your thumb, just like this. This is going to help keep your loop steady, and it's going to help you be able to move your work, the part you're working on, up and down and have more control over your yarn. Otherwise it kind of gets everywhere. And then so you've got part 1, you have the yarn over your finger. Part 2, you're holding the around where the slip knot is. And then part 3, down here, these 2 fingers help hold the yarn coming from the yarn ball and make sure it's not too tight or too loose. So you're gonna hold it, but it doesn't have to, the yarn doesn't have to stay, it's just to help it give you some tension, is what it's called. And then this loose yarn just stays like that, loose at the bottom. Alright, you're holding your yarn. That'll also take practice. There's a lot of different ways that people hold yarn, and not everybody does it the same way, and so it may be beneficial to you to try different ways of holding the yarn to see if that is more helpful to you. So I'm going to, and also, like what I just did here, it was getting too loose, so I just redid my hold on the yarn. And now we're going to do something called yarn over. You're going to take your hook, put it down around the yarn coming from your finger. So yarn over, whoop, that's what a yarn over looks like. Yarn over, pull through the loop, that's one chain. You can see it looks like a little V down here, that's how you count them. So we're going to make another one. We're going to go yarn over, pull through. Perfect. Now you can see that we have one V and 2 V's. Those are our 2 chains. And we're going to make another one. If you need to, you can readjust your hold. Also, we're not going to be holding down by the knot anymore because it's too hard to control. You're going to move up and hold the chain that you just made, the chain closest to the hook. So we're going to do that again. Yarn over, pull through. Perfect. If you need to practice any of those holding yarn over or pulling through, go ahead and just rewatch the beginning of this video again and practice that a few times, because we're going to be doing some more chains. We have 3 chains right now. Each chain you can count as a V. 1 V is 1 chain. So you have 1, 2, 3 chains right now on the hook. For the pattern that we're making, we're going to make 11 chains for the headband, and this will be the short end of the headband. So we have 1, 2, 3 chains right now, yarn over, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over, holding next to the hook for control, pull through, perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over, holding next to the hook for control, pull through, perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna go yarn over, 7. Move your fingers up, yarn over, 8. Move your fingers up, yarn over, 9. Move your fingers up, yarn over, 10, Move your fingers up, yarn over, 11. Perfect. Now we have, you count the chains like this too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Perfect. So this is how to chain, and the next step we'll learn is how to single crochet. See you later.